Hello, my name is Dicky Alamsyah, and I want to tell you about the blockchain technology. Did you know about it? Let me to explain to you what is blockchain. How does it work? Here we go. First, let me to introduce what is blockchain. Blockchain, the new technology of trust. A new technology is redefining the way we transact. If this sounds incredible for reaching because it is. Blockchain has the potential to change the way we buy and sell, interact with government and verify the information, the authenticity of everything, from property titles to organic vegetables. It combines the openness of the internet with the security of cryptography to give everyone a faster, safer way to verify key information and establish trust. And now, what is blockchain? Blockchain technology was originally developed as part of a digital currency, and we call it now is Bitcoin. We are not talking only about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just a product of blockchain. Blockchain can support a wide range of applications, and it's already being used for peer-to-peer payment service, supply chain tracking, and many more. Now we got it. Blockchain, a technology of depth. From a transaction to be gathered into blocks and recorded. First, a digital record. Blockchain is a record of transaction. Like a traditional ledger, this transaction can be any movement of money, goods, or secure data, or a purchase at a supermarket, for example, or the assignment of a government ID number. Second, blockchain is secure. Blockchain is designed to store information in a way that makes it virtually impossible to edit, remove, or change data without being detected by other users. Blockchain is decentralized. Today, transactions are verified by a central authority like a government or a credit card clearing house. Blockchain application could replace decentralized systems with decentralized ones, where verification comes from the consensus of multiple users. And now, you get it? Blockchain is a digital record. Blockchain is secure. And then, blockchain is decentralized. Now, how does it work? A blockchain needs to do two things: gather and order data into blocks, and then chain them together securely using cryptography. I will divide it into three sections. Section A: recording a transaction. Let's start with a simple transaction. Alice wants to sell her car to Bill. The transaction information is recorded and shared with the other computers in the blockchain networks. Section B: building transactions into blocks. On the network, the record is combined with other transactions into a block, like a traditional computer database. Each transaction is time-stamped. So, when a block is complete, it also gets its own timestamp. So all information is sequential, which help avoid duplicate entries or redundance of data. Section C, connecting block into a chain, into the network. The complete block is sent out across the network when it appends to the chain, forming a line. Other participants on the network may be sending out their own block at the same time, but the timestamp ensures that data is added to the right order, like the address, and all participants have the latest version. And then, securing the chain. The key to a blockchain security is something called a hash. Hash number is a bit of cryptographic math that makes the links between blocks virtually unbreakable. A hash function takes the information in each block and uses it to create the hash, a unique string of characters. And then, looking it down, the hash from one block is added to data in the next block. So, when the next block goes through the hash function, a trace of it is woven into the new hash, and so on throughout the chain, raising the alarm. So, if there's any attempt to alter a previously created block, the hash that's encoded in the next block won't match up anymore. This mismatch will continue through all subsequent blocks, denoting an alteration on the chain. And now, establishing trust. Since all participants have a copy of the entire blockchain, they can detect any tampering. So, when the hashes match up across the chain, all parties know that they can trust their records. So, for the last, this is my conclusion. Blockchain could be a revolution in the way everyone, businesses, government, organizations, and individuals work together. It provides a simple, secure way to establish trust for virtually any kind of transaction, helping simplify the movement of money, product, or sensitive information worldwide. Blockchain, the new technology of trust, it's a transformation that's already begun. And organization, both the ones that it can help and the middleman at risk of disintermediation, will need to be prepared as the technology matures. Well, I think that's enough. I would like to thank you for your attention for my presentation video about the blockchain. Forgive me if there are any poorly understood. Thank you.